Welcome to the Daily Message. On this last day of 2020, I ask us to reflect on this question. How will I be different in 2021? How will I be more loving? What will I do to reach out to those in need, to those who are lonely, to those who need my help? When will I speak out when I see wrongdoing? When will I take more time to listen to the views of others? Today, I'm not asking us to make New Year's resolutions. We do that all the time. What I'm asking us to do is to spend a few minutes to think about ways in which we can deepen and enrich our discipleship of Christ, ways in which we can become more authentic, truer followers of Jesus and his way. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a happy new year and a safe and healthy one as well.